intersection of two arrays. Given two integer arrays, names1 and names2, return an array of their intersection. Each element in the reserve must be unique, and you may return the reserve in any order. So when we look at this example, num1 has 1 2 2 1, and then num2 is 2 2. So when we do the intersection, we got 2 2, right? But we will take only one time because it is saying the reserve must be unique. Each element in the reserve must be unique. That's why we take only one. So 2, right? 4 9 5 4 9. There is no 5, so 4 9. So we can return 4 9 and also 9 4. It's okay. The order is not important that much. Okay. We can solve in many ways. For the first approach, very native approach, is we will loop every element in the names1, and then we will check that element is in names2 or not, right? So the time complexity is gonna be order of n squared, right? Like order n into m, right? So it's gonna be, it's not a linear time, right? And then, or if the requirements, if the problem is saying names1 and names2s are already sorted, if they are already sorted, we can use two-pointer approach, right? The first pointer is gonna point to this names1, and then the second pointer will point to this names2, and then if they are equal, and then if the element is not in our result list, we will take that elements into our result, right? And then if the left value is less than the right values, we will plus the right left the first the pointers from the first array, because they are already sorted, right? So by using the two pointers array, we can solve that problems too. And then the way I'm gonna do is I will use the hash set, because I will change this array to the hash set, and then this names2 to the hash set, and then I will just call the intersection with the function. So let's do this. Intersect, I will save integer, right? Hash set 1, new hash set integer, and then I will have h1, h2, and reset, right? Okay, for the h1, how we are gonna change from our array to hash set integer I, and for example, and m1 in names1, and then we will add h1 dot add n1, right? So by doing this way, I will do for the second hash set h2 names2 h2 dot add n2, right? And then we have reset. What we are gonna add to our reset, ESULT reset dot. So for the first time, to use the intersect with function, we have to have the first set, right? First set dot intersect with, and then in the parameter we need to pass the second set hash set, right? So we will have to put the reset with our hash set 1, and then I will intersect with sec intersect, right? That's it. Intersect with, and then we will intersect with the h2. Okay, so the reset is hash set, so but the data type we have to return is array, so I will return reset dot to array, right? So let's try this one. Okay, I'm gonna submit this one. Okay, so I would like to try that the way if they are already sorted. You know, two-pointer approach, right? It's really good to practice. So let's do that one again. So I would think the reset is gonna be, we will sort, so order of and login, right? Names1. The same way I will sort names2. Okay, so we already get what we want. So I will create two pointer. Left is, it's gonna be started with 0, and then right is also gonna be started with 0. So while left side less than nems1 dot length, because left pointer is gonna point to the nems1 pointer, right? And then and right, I mean the left not left and right pointer are not pointing the same array. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay, pointer p1, I say p2, p1 will point to nems1, and then p2 will point to nems2. p2 less than nems2 dot length. Okay, till they are required nems1 pointer 1 equal to nems2 at pointer 2. If they are equal, we are gonna add to our reset, right? Reset dot add any of them. If they are equal, we can add any of them, right? They are the same. Okay, so if we use array, we need to specify the array size. We don't know how many elements will be in our result. And then what if we use list? They are allowing duplicate, so we need to filter those duplicates again, right? So if we use the hasset, we don't need to do anything at all, right? It will remove the duplicates already. So ISULD reset equal new hasset. We don't have to give the length to, right? So it's really good for this problem. Reset or add. Okay, what if they are not equal? If the left is 1, the left value is less than, we will point p1 plus plus, else p2 plus plus, right? And then we will go again, and then return reset to array the same way, right? Because the data types we want to return is array, and then we declare as such. That's why. Okay, so we can solve many problems. There's also like a really native ways in my idea, but that one is really taking too long, right? Because two loops. So I will not use that approach for this problem for now. So that's it. Thank you.